Today's DIY is very simple, but it turns out beautiful when it's finished. I love this project. I made it once before for my daughter, and I wanted one for myself. I got these paint sticks from Amazon, and this is one of those stovetop covers from Dollar Tree, and a little bit of ribbon, and there you go. You got yourself a nice little basket. It looks like one of those apple baskets, but I use it for blanket. So you just take the stovetop cover, try to say that 5 times fast, and you start gluing your paint sticks around the edge. When you're finished gluing all your paint sticks around, you add a embroidery hoop. I just added a large one, just one piece of it. And it's frustrating, but it's not hard. It gets a little tedious. You'll see I have a little trouble gluing. But it's not hard. It's just sometimes they fall. You might want to use some E6000 along with your hot glue. But the hot glue is the easiest because you don't have to wait for it to dry. So I'm in the process. I got a few new pieces of equipment and I'm trying them out. I'm using the camera instead of the iPad, and I'm going to explain it all to you and make a video of what I went through before I got this new equipment. And if you notice, I even added music to the beginning of my video. So just forgive me, I'm not used to all this. I'm working with a new edit application, so it's a little hard for me. That's why I'm glad I just have one project, because it was hard enough for me to edit just this one. Now I understand when people say it takes them all day to edit a video. I used to breeze through them. That's because I wasn't doing a very good job. But I'm trying to make my videos better and add some more stuff to it, so I'll get there slowly but surely. Adding music to the beginning and a new title page was quite a start for me. But like I said, I will show you everything probably in my next video. I just wanted to get this one out and show you how I did. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just glue the paint sticks around the bottom of the stovetop cover, and then put the embroidery hoop around the middle of it. Glue that on. Oh, I forgot to mention this. I'm so sorry. And I believe I filmed it. I did add wire to keep it more sturdy. I heaved in and out of the paint sticks and added wire to it. So you could do that, but it's pretty, you could just watch the video and see what I did. I really apologize. Like I said, this is just kind of a test video. But here's how I make my bow. I just take 2 pieces of ribbon and I fold them a couple times. You guys know. This is kind of like the Caitlin bow from Crafts by Caitlin. And I just wire them together. I put all 4 of the pieces of ribbon together and wire them together, and that's how she makes her bows. So I figured I'd try her way today, and I think it turned out really cute. So after I finish making the bow, I put another piece of wire around it, and then I just wire it to the basket, you know, where the little screw part is. After that's done, it's done. And it's just easy as that. So guys, please accept my apology. I really was going crazy making this video, but you know what? That's part of it. Anybody who's been through what I'm going through right now knows exactly what I went through, what I'm going through. But I'll get it. I really will. And it's fun. It's a little frustrating, but it's fun. So here's what my finished project looks like. And I think it turned out so pretty. Aren't they cute? I don't know if I've seen anybody else make one of these. Maybe. Not quite sure. But anyway, this is my second one, and I just love them. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Please, I need one more subscriber, and I have 600. And hit that like button if you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.